Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to fix YouTube Premium not working for family members. If you ask others to join the YouTube TV family group, there are some requirements for their accounts. Therefore, the first reason why YouTube TV family sharing isn't working could be that their account doesn't meet the following requirements. At least 13 years old, and you must own a Google account. You must live in the same household as the family manager and not be a member of another family group. Being a member of a YouTube TV family group means that they must live in the same household and share the same location information. You may not watch YouTube TV via family sharing if you're not in the supported region or use a different connection. If this is the case, you will need to connect your device to the same home network as the family manager. As they mentioned in Method 1, you can't be a member of any other family group. If you already are, you need to sign out of other family groups. To do so, go to YouTube TV, click on Settings, then Family Sharing Manage. Leave Family Group, then confirm it by entering your password. Another reason for YouTube TV family sharing not working is that an update to the YouTube TV app hasn't been completed. To solve it, you can go to Google Play or Apple Store to check if there's an update available. If so, update YouTube TV to the latest version. If the fixes described above still do not resolve this issue, please try restarting 4 mobile devices. Restarting the device can clear the memory and browser cache of any running applications on your device. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.